your Instagram old messages are not showing or your Instagram chat is stuck on loading, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix this problem. So firstly, make sure that Instagram servers are not down. Sometimes this issue happens because of a temporary server problem. After this, make sure internet connection is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So first of all, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now update it if not, and after this go back to the home page. Now open the settings app, scroll down, click on the apps option. Now click on Instagram and click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. After this tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go back to the previous page and click on force stop, click on OK. Now go back to the home page and re-log in your ID, and yeah, that's it. But if you still face the problem, then open the Instagram app. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines, scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem, tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue, and here describe your problem, and after this tap on sign option, and yeah, that's it. If the problem is still not fixed, then wait for some time, because sometimes this issue happens due to Instagram server problems, and it usually get fixed automatically after some time. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.